Let's go from point A to point C. Step 1, shopping. Shop around for a USB-C. Nice. Try and find a USB-A. Find something cheap, I guess. I don't know. We can change it later. I'm going to read the spec too, because apparently I'm made of time. Instructions said I need some resistors, so we'll toss those in. Great, we got our parts. New project, schematic editor. Open up the library and place the parts we picked out. Now wire it all up. USB-C is reversible, so that means everything gets connected twice. Bring ground to ground and power to power. Don't forget the resistors. Great, let's convert this to a part. Wow, it's perfect. Art time!
I've got a design I like, so I'm going to drop it in on the silkscreen layer. Before I start wiring, I'm going to move the components so the least number of rat lines cross. Now it's just paint by numbers. Connect everything together until the rat lines are gone. Now you have a USB converter. Show it off to your friends and they'll be like, whoa! You can plug in old things to new things. And you could be like, yeah, I can, and I can do it for less than it would cost if I bought it off Amazon.